Hey there, my name is Terry from Terry's Teaching Tidbits, and today I'm going to show you how you can introduce fractions to your students. I definitely suggest getting some fraction manipulatives. This is a pack of magnetic fraction tiles and fraction circles, and you can easily put them on a magnetic whiteboard. This is a great hands-on tool because you can see how every single fraction is equivalent to one whole. So 2/2 is going to equal one whole, 3/3, and so on. You can start by having students compare simple basic unit fractions. A unit fraction is a fraction that has a 1 in the numerator, so 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, etc. To do that, have them or you place a unit fraction and then compare it with another unit fraction. So clearly 1/2 is greater than 1/5. You can also take 1/5 and compare it to 1/6. When you line them up, you can see that 1/5 is greater than 1/6, or 1/6 is less than 1/5.
Begin by providing your students with simple fraction tiles and have them create comparisons using unit fractions. As they master comparing unit fractions, you can start to give them more challenging fractions by combining unit fractions and comparing those with unlike denominators. For example, have them create the fraction 2/4 and compare this with 3/7. 2/4 is greater than 3/7. You can also use an example such as comparing 5/6 with 7/9. 5/6 is greater than 7/9, or you could also say 7/9 is less than 5/6. As your students become familiar with visualizing these fractions, you can then start having them take the fraction tiles away and compare fractions without the visuals.